Very nice product. Worth it for cost. Best means best. Don't go for other brands that don't give you features like this AC. You will surely be thankful. Loved it. ₹999 installation charge by LG. For angle they charged 850. It's a stand for outdoor unit, 350 for drain pipe and 350 for taping everything. So better buy these things before. No bill provided by installation guy. It's a kind of loot. Better you buy these things beforehand. Regarding product, can't say anything as it just got installed 1 hour before only. However, installation was prompt during lockdown also at Nadia district, West Bengal, so total I paid ₹2,549 all total. I'm writing a review just a few hours after running my new AC and I must say that the product is absolutely fantastic. No cause for complaint. Amazon delivery and subsequent LG installation services went smoothly. I am writing this after 2 months uses. First of all, I recommend everyone to go with this AC if you are going to use in your home. This give me instant chill in my room, daily using 9 hours on automatic mode and getting electricity bill only 500. This is really great. Now I am using this in my bed. An all-rounder AC by LG SNHD. All process went smoothly. Just go for it, you won't be disappointed. Excellent quality made by LG. AC wise nothing to complain except a minor thing, no light to remote which is difficult to operate during night. Apart from this, company given all required things like sufficient copper pipe, tape, tags and rubber to outdoor unit which was reducing noise from outdoor. Look simple looking as the front is plain white, but you can always change that. Cooling Himalaya Cool mode is awesome, though I feel as it's little slower than other AC in starting, but you can always use HC mode 2 times simultaneously if you want. My parents think it's too cold. Energy consumption the FEA. Good experience till now. Got order on the 9th of March and installations done by 12th. Cost me 6.5k as personal set for me. It will require 20 feet copper wire. It's working fine till now. Will update later about performance in long run. Really impressed with cooling system. LG stands for its electronic name and fame. Just go for it. Everything is very good, fast cooling, but the hidden installation charge is very high, not shown as 699 when buying the product. But I'm fully satisfied with the product. Thank you Amazon. Same day installation done by LG. If you call Amazon for installation then it may take time, but if you call LG service center, same day installation is done. Good AC. It's also very efficient, less electricity bills. You get 1500 to 2000 bill if you use 20 hours for a day. In my state 1 unit is of 8 rupees. Five-star for everything. Best in cooling, best in energy saving. Consume just 2 units for 10 hours on 26 degrees Celsius. 4-way swing actually work. I got this at 39,000 rupees from Amazon. Amazing product from Amazon. This AC is very good with low noise level. After lot of confusion between Hitachi and Voltas, I finally ordered this. LG has a very good brand value. Delivery was very quick. Amazon is providing in very less price as compared to LG showroom. Just go for it. Product is good. I am happy. But installation was very poor. Installation person fit AC on wrong wall. Water and main outside pipe visible in the room. It is not looks good. Nice product. Very energy efficient and very low noise and very fast cooling. Must buy. Hello, I want to write a review on LG 1:5 ton AC model No JS Q18 hoods bought on 12 May 2018. My review is after using it for a year. I bought this AC from my local store to be precise, but I want to help others in choosing the right one as I myself was searching on all online sites about the reviews. SOM. Fast cooling in 10 minutes. Excellent product, LED display, low noise, Himalaya cooling. Go for it. Service is very fast. I bought from local market with 44,500 including installation and auto stand free. LG installation man is very polite and experienced and he done the job very well. Installation same day. I bought this AC morning 11 am and LG service man came 2 pm, so means within 3-hour installation done. More positive point is room temperature function in remote. You can check your room temperature. 2. You can hide LED display if you want in night. 3. Cooling is very fast. 4. Fan speed also check in LED display. 5. Clock in remote. Awesome product. Value for money, and I was very impressed as very less noise and very good installment provided by LG. Installation people are well mannered. They have done a good work, but they have not sealed the holes. Delivery was good. On time delivery and installation was done within 24 hours only with the cost of 2,200 including stand, pipe etc. Very good behavior of LG installation team. And installation setup done in less than 1 hour. Nice experience. As on delivery and post-delivery installation, before ordering this product from Amazon, I checked customer reviews. Most of them were average or below average, especially for LG after sales service and coordination between LG and Amazon. But keeping trust on LG brand reputation and Amazon services, I made decision to go for this. And thanks to LG and Amazon to keep my trust stronger at Hyderabad, Telangana on the 1st of March 2020. Giving review about product within 2 days will not good enough, so we'll update it after some time. Wonderfully. I got delivery on scheduled date and time with really careful hands. I was afraid about installation due to bad reviews, but I have trust on Amazon since around 4 years. After delivery they register my request to LG. On my request same day, LG appointed local service provider within 2 hours, and then immediately I got call from LG service provider to schedule visit. I request them to install on next day as it was Sunday. They fixed and reached on time. Wow, LG, not only product is beautiful but LG deserves full points for their amazing service. The technician with an assistant done everything required with enough care and in last checked its functionality and then given demo on company's fixed charges. As on the 26th of May 2020, after around 2 months of installation in peak heat days, I guess my decision to choose LG was correct. Its Himalayan cooling makes room super cool within 30 minutes. In normal cooling mode when outside temperature is around 42, in Hyderabad 20 to 22 degree temp. Click link in description for more reviews.